Ready for this?
Hey guys, how you doing? Favorite fat man on three wheels, heading up the hill. We are at Opie's Horsepower Farm. Hail to horsepower today. We're going to see if we can get up this hill. We're going to have to put her in high. There we go. All right, now we'll get up some speed. But we can only stay for a little while today. We'll try and get as much of the roll-ins as we possibly can. Cars coming through, cars coming by. That's really the easiest for me to do today. We have 3 to do today. So we're going to try and get this done. Let's see, look who's coming up. We're going to try and get this done. It's going to be a blast. It's a little nippy this morning. Folks are rolling in. I'm sure there's already quite a few up here. I parked way out into the boonies. We'll see how that all works out. But for now, we're here. We're going to get around. We're going to get started. We'll see what we can do. Here we go.
There he is.
Look at that. I've already started in. Hope that's got a good heater. Blessed day. Look at that. Look what you got. No, beside you. How you doing, brother?
Good.
All right. Don't you have something to do?
Yeah. Got some more cats to herd.
Here, kitty, kitty, kitty.
Hey, Rock. Nobody parks up front.
Dan's working himself to a frazzle, like usual. Good to see you out. You guys set up in there?
Smile away.
Huh?
Oh, wait.
No, smile and wave.
Put this on your channel.
I
I
o-
don't get to see it.
I always do.
I know. I'm just.
I never miss you. But I can't stay late.
You can't stay late.
I got 2 more to do today, so
Oh,
I can't
man.
stay late.
Busy man.
I'll be out of your way in a minute.
Oh, you're good. He just wants to show
I
off.
want to
Yeah.
shut the door.
Yeah.
We'll be having some announcements here in a few minutes. Get everybody on the same page. We just welcome everybody out. Hope everybody enjoys the day.
It's always a good day on the farm.
It'll be flooded down there. And then the weather people go, oh no, wait, it'll be coming in an hour, it'll be another hour. And next thing you know, sure. They got rain down here running a lot.
I know. I don't believe a lot of them, but yeah.
I watched the radar, I watched that Green Goblin.
Yeah, Friday we got, last night we got some in Marysville, so I called up there because I got family up there. They said it was pouring rain, so I didn't go to the one in Marysville that I was going to go to.
I thought you
And
wanted
they
to be here.
they canceled Vineyard Church, so
I didn't even see that.
yeah, they canceled officially,
Officially.
but you know, there's always guys that show up like me.
It was going to rain at 6 or something.
Yeah,
I looked out, I was sitting on the front porch. I just sit here and keep sitting on the front
there
porch.
you go.
And usually we'll see some of the vineyard people drive down the street on the porch,
Yeah.
and I see them. But I saw nothing. I left back seat when one guy did it. I said, I saw a car in the left lane beside me.
Show me your wiener. Show me your big brown wiener. How you doing? Your big brown wiener. Oh my! Look at that back there. They ain't even hiding back there.
Oh.
Making ruckus coming in, but no.
And if you're out walking around the red Mustang right there, there'll be a little lady to love that. Hang on to it for a year. I'll leave you to it. sir.
All right, thank you, brother. Good to see you. appreciate that.
Mile away. There you go.
Got 2 more I got to do, so I won't be able to stay all day.
Yeah.
Should have sky. I think we have skydivers too.
Yeah, I wouldn't. But Rob will be here.
Okay.
He's supposed to take the shots. He'll have them up on minorvalidynovas.com.
Is Digger coming out?
We're doing great, buddy. How you doing?
Fantastic. Don't
Good.
get any better than Horsepower Farm.
Every time.
Every time.
Every time. It's good to see you out, though.
Good to see you out.
Thank you.
And just like my old Hasselblads and stuff and everything, I've had so many people offer that. I said, no bearing. Wave at him. What if he got the puppy out? There he does. There she is, sweetheart.
Oh, yeah.
Still up high, brother.
That's coming in there. Looks regal.
Does, huh?
It's rich. Class. They had style too back then.
Oh yeah, personality to them and stuff. Each one.
We've seen quite a few of them roll in. Good little groups. Really awesome cars out here. But it's getting to that point where I'm going to have to get ready and go to the next one. So I might try, because I don't want to really wear myself out, I might try and walk around a little bit to get the first two rows here that came in while I wasn't able to sit here and get them in. And we'll see how that all turns out. But I'll get that, and after that I'll probably have to get on the road. Let's check it out.
Dad had that.
They saved you spots down there.
Charvette, Lady J.
There you go. How you doing, buddy?
Oh, it's just sunglasses. Not that he's gonna need them.
Okay. Not that I'm going to need them.
I know there's one back there. It's primary is yellow, secondary is black, I think.
Yeah.
Is this Corvette a C7? I'm trying to learn the different Corvettes.
Yeah, it's still front wheel. Front motor. There you go.
Yeah, four-speed car.
for the kids there at their festival, and then the other one is CTC in Springfield for their kid program there.
London, where's London?
London, Ohio. That direction, about an hour.
What's it near? What town is it near?
On the other side of Springfield.
Okay.
London, just basically between Springfield and Columbus.
All right. Good
All
to see
right,
you.
all right. Sweetheart. Hi.
You
No, you need to stay warm. Stay in the blankets.
Hey, Don, how are you?
I'm going home. No, I'm not. I'm going to another show. Say goodbye.
Bye. That was a long hour, man.
I gotta go.
London, here we go.
All right, guys, we are on the road to the next one. It was really good. We got a lot of the roll-ins. Make sure you check out MiamiValleyNovas.com. Awesome job.
Thank you.
Make sure you check out MiamiValleyNovas.com, and Rob will have up a lot of the photos and stuff that we weren't able to get throughout the days. The parachutist may or may not be able to be in later. We'll see how that goes. But they are still coming in. I knew they would, but we got our obligations. Let me see if I can get this. Ooh, 22 mile an hour. Got a new battery pack built for this, and it will absolutely scream. Going down this hill, I'm about to lose my head. Anyway, Rob will have those up, MiamiValleyNovas.com. You guys check all of that out. Wow, this thing's fast. You check all that out and stuff, and yeah, we're on the road to the next one. See ya. We're on the road.